Hi everybody, you're welcome back to my channel. This is TEGA. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a cap sleeve to a top or a blouse. So if you haven't subscribed guys, consider subscribing. So let's get into the video. You want to fold your fabric over like that and measure 5.5 inches for the width of the sleeve. So after then you measure 5 inches for the length of the cap sleeve and make your markings. So from the place unfold on the side, take 1/2 inch up, 1/2 inch, then connect it to the 5 inches cap length sleeve we've measured already. After that you want to curve out your sleeve by doing this. Just follow what I'm doing. You want to make a nice curve all the way like that. Remember, this is a quick DIY cap sleeve and there's no much measurement going on. This cap sleeve is the basic cap sleeve for size 10, 12 and 14 UK size and US 8, 10 and 12 sizes. So it's just a standard cap size. And remember, it's not the full sleeve length, it's just a cap. You want to fold it back again and make a notch and go ahead and cut the second sleeve using the same measurement. If you want from the start, you can cut both sleeves together, but I've decided to cut them one after the other so you understand how to make this easily. Once you finish cutting the other sleeve, you need to overlock the edges to keep it from fraying. You can use your sewing machine zigzag stitch if you haven't got an overlocker. As you can see, I've used the sewing machine zigzag stitch. Then you need to take 1/4 inch and stitch it down. Once both sleeves are ready, you want to attach them to your top using your set of pins and go ahead and stitch them together with your sewing machine. And once that is done guys, your top is ready. Very quick and easy and no hassle at all. How easy is that? So I went ahead and made a little scarf for the top. Beautiful, isn't it? So thank you guys for watching. I hope you've learned one or two things again from this video. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, comment and share the video. Till next time guys. Bye for now.